ANZA-T Nation, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you in the evening and I am going to be trying out another product. I did say I'll be bringing product reviews to my channel, more products review, me just telling you how products work and actually showing you how they work. So today we are trying out a makeup removing product. It's micellar cleansing water from Garnier. I decided to use the pure active one because the rest of my skincare products are the pure active. I use the face wash, the toner and the moisturizer. If you want to see the full skincare routine, do drop it in the comment section and I'll be ready to show you my skincare routine. My skin is not too shabby, hey. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so apparently this is for combination to oily skin and that's exactly my skin type. And then it's formulated with micelles, cleansing agents that capture impurities like magnet and lift away dead makeup, excess sebum from the skin, enriched with purifying agents. The formula helps to fight the appearance of imperfections, blemishes and shine. So if this works, this will be a perfect product for me. So you apply it on a cotton pad, wipe the face, eyes, lips, and then no rinsing required. So I'm thinking I'll just have to put on my cream and then I can go to bed. But I have trust issues, I'll always go wash my face afterwards. But let's see how well this cleans my face. So I'm just putting a generous amount on the cotton pad. This will be a very short video. Oh wow, this actually just lifts the product like nobody's business. Oh my god. The eye makeup out just like that. This product is just removing like every bit of my makeup. Like my mascara, when I put on mascara, I really go in and put in a lot. So that is really cleansing that up very well. So I'm really impressed with how well it takes the mascara off. If you've ever put on makeup, you know like mascara is the hardest to remove. You can even wash your face at night and still have it. So finally, I am really testing for the last time if the dirt on my face has lifted completely. So just spill some on the floor. So it still caught a bit of mascara, but fairly the cotton pad looks clean besides the mascara, because you know, yeah, getting off most waterproof mascaras off is a mission. So overall, I am impressed with Garnier's Skin Active Pure Active Micellar Water. I can say this is a very good cleansing water. It literally feels like you're washing your face with something very gentle, but yet it is lifting dirt out of your face. Like, my skin feels so good, so fresh, and I'm glad I added this to my skincare routine. If you want me to film a full skincare routine, you can link it downwards. My skincare routine is very basic. I decided to stick to one brand because I really find it works better for me when I like use a face wash, a toner, and a lotion from one brand. The only thing that I'll have different is obviously my sunscreen, because some brands just don't make sunscreens. I've never checked if Garnier has a sunscreen. Maybe I should check. And yeah, this video is not sponsored. I just decided to show you a product I got over the weekend. And yeah guys, more product reviews. Request what you wanna see, and if I can afford it, I'll review it. Okay, bye.